Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom dwelling has ample land space for home improvement. The ground floor is self-contained with a kitchenette, making it easy to convert into an income-earning apartment. The property is located in the quiet, growing community of Green Park, but is less than 50 minutes from the cruise ship pier and other major amenities in Falmouth. The land area of this house is approximately 42,799 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45.5 million or US $295.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this house, hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.